Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And somebody was asking me about cyber attacks. He says that you've heard that casino where he is had a cyber attack. And I was wondering, if there are cyber attacks here in Canada or cyber attacks in different other areas. Thing is, cyber attacks are pretty much everywhere. Every country is hit by them. And there's different types of cyber attacks that happen. One that is going on right now, and we have several ways of getting the weather here in Canada, but there's something called the Weather Network, which is a Canadian network that has weather 24 hours a day. And they've been hit this week by a cyber attack, actually. Since then, their whole website has been kind of very weird and appearance and the way that it is, and very, very slow. They seem to still be struggling as to how to actually get it back up and working correctly. So it's kind of funny when you look at it, that even something like a weather channel site would be attacked. So there are multiple attacks everywhere. There are constantly some attacks or some trying to attack at least some government sites, and this is pretty much every country. It's as simple as that. There are different types of cyber attacks, and it depends who is actually conducting the cyber attack. There's cyber attack for money, which means that what is going to happen is they're going to be warned that unless they pay a certain ransom, a certain amount, they could be it could be a denial of service attack. Of course, there's cyber attacks that could be infiltrating networks, getting personal data on a lot of people, getting a lot of data on even the money in and out and the different companies that businesses do with and do business with and so on. There's so many types. There's, of course, the government attacks that try to get as much sensitive information as possible about, countries' own defense and cybersecurity and security in general. So yes, it is an ongoing thing, and this is not going to get better. It is definitely going to be something that's going to continue happening, and that there's unfortunately not much we can do about it except, of course, the good practices of any website and any employees and any security IT guys in maintaining order within the cyber attacks and preventing them from happening, actually, because there's so many ways that you can prevent them, and there's so many things that unfortunately could have been done to prevent a lot of the cyber attacks that are online and that were successful. So it is definitely a worldwide problem, and I think it's going to get worse before it gets any better. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.